guys, welcome to Avi Life Vlogs. Today's video is a makeup video about top 5 products that I love the most about this brand, Maybelline. So Maybelline is a brand that I have been using from school. This is a brand which gives you very fine quality, is quite an affordable brand, and I love the most of the products from this brand. This brand has quite big range of foundations, lipsticks and everything. So I'll be sharing my top 5 products that I love the most about this brand. So let's start with the video. So my first product is this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This foundation is something which I love the most. It's the first step when it comes to my makeup routine. इसके साथ मेरा मेकअप इतना अच्छा लगता है फ्रेंड्स. इट गिव्स मी अ वेरी फोटो फिनिशिंग लुक, गिव्स मी फुल कवरेज. क्वालिटी वाइज भी Maybelline को कभी भी आप डाउट नहीं कर सकते. इसमें आपको डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ शेड्स मिल जाएंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू योर स्किन टोन. यू विल गेट इट इजीली बोथ ऑनलाइन एंड ऑफलाइन डिपेंडिंग अपॉन विच सिटी यू आर. एंड इन केस इफ यू डोंट वांट टू स्पेंड ऑन बिग बॉटल्स, बिग दिस ग्लास बॉटल्स, यू कैन ऑल्सो गेट क्यूब्स और उसमें आपको अपने डिफरेंट शेड्स का भी पता लग जाएगा. So its MRP is of around 500, but if you get it from different sites like Nykaa, Purple, Amazon and various other sites, you will get it in the range of 400, 450 on the offers. So right now there are various offers going on various sites, so you can get it easily on in the range of 400. So my second product is this Age Rewind Instant Concealer. This is a very nice concealer. It also works as an eraser for your dark circles. Gives me a very nice coverage. It's a magical product. I have used various concealers from different brands, but believe me, इसका कोई competition I didn't get till date. It's a very nice product, and you can apply it as a base even if you want to skip the step 1 of foundation, but don't skip this step. It gives me a very nice photo finishing look over my face. You'll get it in the range of 650. 650 is the MRP, but you'll also get it in the range of 500, 450 depending upon the offers again, and I'll highly recommend this concealer to you guys. So my third product is this Maybelline Loose Fit Me Powder. This powder is something which helps to set my entire makeup in a very nice way. This is a translucent powder. This powder is something which gives my base an entire very finished look, very photogenic face. It doesn't make my entire face look cakey, but ये काफ़ी पाउडर सा लुक नहीं देता मेरे को. बहुत अच्छी सी फिनिशिंग देता है. इसका सारा बेस बहुत अच्छा सा बन जाता है. तो this is also a must go product when you take. Now coming towards the price of this product comes with the MRP of 695, but coming towards the offers and discounts, you'll get easily in the range of 600, maybe 550. You can check it online. I have given the links below in the description section. So my next product is this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. This kajal is something which I have been using from my school days. This is a very nice kajal, smudge proof, 24 hours का इसका stay होता है और आपको आइज में कोई irritation वगैरह नहीं होती इसको यूज़ करके. You will get it in the range of 180 में भी, या ऑफर्स में आपको ये थोड़ा सा easily discounted range पे मिल जाएगा. But it's also a very good product from Maybelline. So guys, my next product is Maybelline Sensational Volume Mascara. This mascara is particularly I am in love with. This is a very nice mascara. First of all तो ये एक waterproof mascara है. Secondly, ये मेरे eyes को बहुत अच्छे से volume दे देता है. Third, ये मेरी eyes को इतनी अच्छी तरीके से define करता है. It makes my entire eyes look very beautiful. Talking about the price of this product, you'll get it in the range of 600. I'm not sure about it, but I'll give the link in the description box below. You can check it from there. So guys, if I'm talking about mascara from Maybelline itself, they have 4 different varieties of mascara, but this one particularly is something which I love the most. इससे मेरा वॉल्यूम बहुत अच्छे से ब्यूटीफुल होके लैशेस में नजर आता है. So coming towards my last products, lip shades are something which I am obsessed with. So these two shades are something which I use the most when it comes to Maybelline. The first one is from the shade 657 Nude Nuance. It is the very nice routine wear shade, nude color, and it looks very nice on my skin tone. The second one is this Cosmopolitan Red in the shade number of 643. This is again a very nice shade when it comes to your parties or festive looks. You can carry it very easily. So talking about the price of this lip shades, the MRP is 300, but you won't get that much off on these products, but it's like 5 to 10%. You'll have to check it. These were the all products that I love the most about Maybelline. These are the top 5 products that I love the most. So if you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. Comment me in the comment section below if you want me to do such more videos about different brands. Also subscribe this channel, and I'll meet you guys in the next video. Bye bye.